Something incredible is coming to Grayson Stadium. Something that has never been done before. We're creating the first ever Food Truck Festival!
Excuse me, Tyler. The food truck festivals have existed before. That's not new.
Sorry, dude. All You Can Eat Food Truck Festival! Join us at Grayson Stadium Sunday, September 23rd for our Field of Food Trucks Festival. All You Can Eat festival with 60 different amazing items from a variety of regional food trucks. Field of Food Trucks brought to you by the Savannah Bananas.